Special Advisor on Policy Coordination, and to the gentlemen of the press. So we had there for the Ministry of Finance, Finance Minister, Coordinating Minister of the Economy, 14 memos. So you would imagine I'm not going to take you through all of it one by one. But Council made very strategic decisions, which have decided to categorize under 5 headings and just speak to you about them briefly. The first one is to do with transportation, how to bring the cost of transportation down. As many of you would recall, Mr. President had introduced initiatives on CNG buses, electric vehicles, CNG fuel tricycles, and conversion kits. Some of these investments had already been made based on anticipatory approval by Mr. President, given the urgency of those interventions, and Council today approved. So what that means is the remaining investment that needs to be made can now go ahead. The total amount is about 215 billion naira. The second category of issues I want to address is on agricultural development. On these we had 4 memos. Altogether, it's about financing agricultural and rural technical vocational training, special agro-industrial processing zones, as well as agric value chain for growth projects. Altogether, we have different financing arrangements coming to a total of $900 million US. The next heading is to do with power. Under this heading, we had one memo where Council approved the credit facility from the Islamic Development Bank. I attended the AGM of the Islamic Development Bank about 1 or 2 weeks ago in Azerbaijan, and these were some of the conversations we had on how to finance development using those concessional facilities. So this is a $160 million US facility for Niger State solar energy development projects. The Islamic Development Bank will provide $150 million, and the government of Niger State will provide the counterpart funding of $10 million US. The fourth category is to do with infrastructure. As you would agree, it's important for us to continue to invest in infrastructure for our development, but also to address some of our challenges around logistics, bringing down the cost of inflation, and improving the quality of life. In this regard, one of the memos, Council approved facility and financing of about $1.2 billion US for the Sokoto-Badagry Superhighway, and this is the section 2 of the project over in Kebbi State. And finally, but certainly not the least, is MSME financing. We all know that the bulk of employment as well as economic activities in Nigeria is done by the small businesses. So we always have to think about how to support that sector, because supporting them is supporting ourselves and our country. So we had 2 memos, essentially providing affordable financing for small businesses. One of it is 200 million euros, and the other one is 500 million US. And this financing will be provided through the Development Bank of Nigeria to provide access to affordable credit, like I said, to these small businesses. Thank you very much.